The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guthrie to 5 miles east of Gracemont, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Western Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Del City, El Reno, Chickasha, Guthrie, Newcastle, Blanchard, Anadarko, Chandler, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Entitled. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.